Alright, you're welcome. In this video we're going to talk about 4 things basically. First off is going to be the italic, how to add italics to your text. We're going to talk about how to add EM, that's emphasis, to your text. We're going to talk about how to create a bold text and the 2 different ways of creating a bold text, and of course we're going to digress a little and talk about how to add comment to your HTML document. So first off, let's talk about the bold text. So assuming we want to make this word here bold, this word in our first sentence up here, the word website, we want to make it bold. All we simply need to do, you guessed it, is you put create an angle bracket, open, you put your B in, and then you create another angle bracket, and you put another B in there, and then you close it up with a backslash. Now we're going to hit save, we refresh, and you can see our word here, website, has been made bold. So there's another way to also create a bold text. Let's assume we want to make this word here, football, bold. You can also use the strong tag. There's what is called a strong tag. You just simply write strong inside your angle bracket, and of course you close your angle bracket. Always remember to close your angle bracket, to close your tag, pardon me, and then we hit save, refresh. Okay, something went wrong. What went wrong? Okay, we had a bit of misspelling. Yes, okay, good. So you can see that they are both bold. The tests are both bold, website and football, both tests are bold. But the difference, you'd ask, is what's the difference between these two? The difference is for the B tag, what happens is simply for visual effects. But what about those who cannot see and they have to use audio readers, audio web readers? So this word here, football, will be emphasized to them in such a way that they will recognize that it's emboldened as a text in the original file. So that's just the little difference, and I thought we should talk about that. Of course, in italicizing a word is basically the same thing. So let's say we want to italicize our word here in this sentence, tennis. You simply just put I, the letter I, in an angle bracket, open and close, and of course we'll close up our tag, we'll save it, hit refresh, and you can see the word here has been italicized. So there's a different way to also italicize the text, is with the EM tag. The EM tag is also a way to italicize a text, but what it does is just like the strong tag, it has audio emphasis, unlike the italic, the I tag. The EM tag has audio emphasis for those who cannot see. So if you are focusing basically on visual effects, by all means you can use the italic tag and the bold tag, that's the B tag and the I tag. But if you care about those who are visually impaired and you want them to know that a particular word is being emphasized, of course you'd like to use the strong tag and the EM tag. So that's basically that for making your text HTML text decoration, really. And of course, if you want to add a comment to your HTML document, you notice that I wrote something here. I said this is how you add a comment to an HTML document. But if you look at our web browser, as we refresh it, it does not show here. So let me remove something and then save it. I'll remove our exclamation mark and save, and then refresh. Look at that. You can see that is showing and is even italicized. Okay, so the sentence, this is how you add comments to an HTML document, is showing. So simply, comment is a way of writing something within your HTML document, you know, maybe like a description that you want to leave for your fellow programmer who would, you know, maybe work on a future version of your, you know, website, so that they can understand what you have done so far. Maybe you just want to give a description, you use your HTML comments. And how you add an HTML comment is simply, you start with your angle bracket, you put your exclamation mark, and then of course you put two hyphens, and then you write your whatever it is that you want to have in your comment, and then you put two hyphens at the end, and then you close it up with your exclamation mark. So that's that for this video. We'll see you in our next class. Thank you for watching.